Hey y'all. Okay. Sorry about the little close up there. Ugh. Trying to got one thing in one hand, one thing in another. Okay. This is part 2 of working on Dolly. Let me set this down. First of all, I'd like to thank everybody for subscribing and sharing and liking the videos. I really seriously appreciate that. It really helps out the algorithm and helps the channel grow. But you've heard that kind of stuff from everybody before. You're wanting to see how to get this son of a gun out of here. Okay. All right, as you can see, that gap there between the intake manifold and or the lower intake manifold and upper intake manifold, that pretty much indicates I've got that center bolt out of the way. Well, it's still in there, but there's a lot of corrosion that's holding it up. Now, one thing you're going to need to remember when you're doing this is, you see these back bolts here, they won't come out all the way. So what I've done is I've just taken these clamps here and just put them on there just to keep the bolts from like falling down into the holes and basically causing me trouble. I just want to hold them up just enough to get this upper intake manifold out. Up and out of here. Okay, I've got the plug wire holders, these things. You know, they set right over here, okay? And got them out of the way. I have not disconnected all the spark plugs. I got the coil pack and its bracket off. It's laying down there. The coil packs have 2 connectors that go to them from the wiring harness. They only go one way. Each connector only goes into that coil, so there's no way of getting those mixed up. Same goes for all of these connectors here that go to the throttle body and the AIT. They only go one way and they only go into that thing. So let's get busy and get busy getting this son of a gun out of here. Okay, so I'll basically I'm going to try to just lift this up like so. Hopefully we can get this out of here. You need to prepare yourself when you're doing this. There's probably going to be a hose or two that you're going to vacuum hose or a wire connection, a sensor that you're going to forget about. And I think I feel, yep, I've got one hose over here. It's on this passenger side over here. I'm just going to go ahead and it goes to the EGR. No, okay. It goes to the EGR valve. It doesn't go to the intake at all. Oh man. Okay, I see. Looks like I do have some hoses connected. Oh, huh? Yep, I sure do. Okay, I'll bring you around here. Let you see what I'm seeing. Let me get a towel and clean my hands off a little bit. Okay, I'm getting it up out of there. Intake manifold. As you can see, over here we've got some hoses that are still connected back here, and I thought there probably would be. Basically what I'm going to do is just twist these until they come off. It looks like it's pretty smart. The way they've got this done is that the hoses, all these connectors, they only go on one particular thing. So that's kind of nice. Looks like this one was going on here, then that larger hose I just pulled off went on there, and they're different sizes, so there's no way to get them mixed up, which is really super nice. Okay, we got the wire harness holder. I think that's it. I think that's all of them. I'll tell you what, this thing has kicked my butt. I ain't gonna lie. So, Okay. All right, there it is. All right. Let me get you all over here so you can see. I don't know about y'all, but I want to see that bolt that was causing me so much trouble. I mean, you can see right here, it's held in by the corrosion that's went down into one of these tubes here that the bolt goes through. Passage or tunnel, whatever you want to call it. Now these other bolts behind it, look. See? They just came right out. So, that's what I thought, yeah. See? Bunch of corrosion on that. Alright, so all of this looks really nice. I don't see anything really bad wrong there. I'll get the intake gasket, or the plenum upper intake manifold gasket, and okay, it's just a kind of a composite paper gasket, I guess you could call it. You see all that dirt right there, all that crud. I'm trying to keep it from anything like that falling down into the intake, of course, because you don't want that in there. No, I want to keep all that crap out. That's really important. So, anyway, okay. Let's see. Yeah, there's that bolt. There's where that bolt went. That one that was giving me so much trouble. I'll probably try to run a tap through that just to make sure it's in good shape. But yeah, I'm gonna cover all of these holes up, fill them up with some paper towels or something. And then I'm gonna blow all this crap off of here. I mean, there's like a little bit of everything up here. A lot of acorn shells and walnut shells and everything under the sun. So just a lot of mess. Just a lot of mess. That's all it really is. Good old mice. They know how to make a mess. So, okay. I think first, I'm going to see about getting that bolt the rest of the way out of there. Because that son of a gun has been a lot of work for quite a while. But I didn't break it off in the head, so I'm pretty happy about that. Let's see, do I have a punch? I do. Look at there. Okay, let's see. I think I'm going to get everything over here on this workbench table. Get the upper intake over here. Okay. Let's see, get you all here over here. We can possibly see a little bit of something. Thing's kind of in there. Stubborn, but it is. Wow, amazing. Really something. I never would have thought that thing would bend that stubborn. Well, now that I've got this thing where I can flip it over here, let's see. Come up with a little bit of a plan. Let's see about this. There's a lot of crud in it, man. I can turn my fingers like that, but it's not easy. It should be easy, and it ain't. Sorry I'm blocking your view, but basically I'm just going to try to No, I'm not. No, hell no. Wow, I have never seen anything like that. That is amazing. That is just simply mind-boggling. Let's see. Hey, thing must be like a boomerang. It came right back to me. One thing's for certain, that corrosion in there is solid. Jesus. I have never seen anything like that before. That's just... Okay, y'all. I'm going to just keep hammering on this and maybe I'll get this son of a gun here. Oh my God, this is crazy. I've never seen anything like this. I mean, I've seen stuff rusted up. Man, this is a whole nother level. Okay. And I'm gonna pause this. I'll be right back. Hey y'all. All right. Well, remember how I was saying earlier in the previous video that my power was out? Well, it came back on. Well, as you can see, I'm out here in the garage and my power's out again. Oh boy. Okay. This is irritating. That light is by battery. Okay. This is really irritating. Okay. I'm gonna go up here and unplug this thing. This my battery charger had to, got my little light here. Handy dandy little light. Another battery powered light. Been charging a battery on my 04 Dodge Ram 1500. I left the little door, left the lights on, and I run the battery down. Yeah, not very intelligent of me. So, okay, made a little mistake there. So this is nice. This is just so much. This is so wonderful. Well, at least I got that upper intake manifold off. Okay. So, all right. I'm going to try to work a little bit more here. Hopefully the power will be back on before too much longer. So, I'm going to carry on in the face of opposition. I think here we go. Okay, we got a little bit of light here on the issue. All right, so I'm just working on this bolt. I've been hammering on it, trying to get it to come out. There is a huge amount of corrosion built up in there. So I'm just going to keep working at it. All right. I think I'm going to go ahead and end this video right here, and I'll pick it back up later and show you a little bit, and make a part 3 to this, okay? Because there's a lot of work still left to be done. So thank you very much for watching. God bless. Have a great one. And see you later.